In the last week's update for crude oil, we talked about a potential gap filling exercise by US crude. Also, we had discussed that this is the first red candle, there could be a follow up red candle. Precisely, this is achieved. Also, we talked about the support it has got at 74, 73.8 levels. Now, precisely, very precisely, 73.87 achieved. Gap is filled, and we had seen a good recovery towards the end of the week. Now, what to expect next week? As the candle size, if the body size is small, the tail is big, can we expect a reversal from here? And also the gap is filled, or we are going to look forward to another round of bearish week next week. We will see with the help of charts followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. Do watch till the end and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon to keep yourself updated with the twice a day market updates for crude oil, which I share every day. First with the Asia session, next with the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. Also, you can keep yourself updated with the markets live by joining my free Telegram channel. Link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. Now look at the daily charts. Gap is filled, yes. Retracement is done, yes. Now look at last three candles, triple bottom levels, and see precisely 73.8. It is done. Very good support exists there. Now triple bottom on the daily charts. I will wait for the next candle how it behaves. Specifically, I will wait for it to break past 78.5, 79.2 zone, or rather I will say 80 levels you should wait for, because see 80 levels on the daily charts is provided it a very good resistance. So yes, you can buy here, yes you can buy at 77 itself, but then wait for it to break past 78, 79.2 and 80, these three levels. This is the zone. Wait for it to break past, and remember, if it does, it is going to bring more bullishness. Right now on the daily charts, you can see after forming the top here, it is trading in this bearish channel, and hence any break above 77, 78 levels should be considered as a breakout, and then we have to wait for it to break past 80 in order to confirm the reversal there. Now, if you look at the daily chart, see the bottom was here. It was trading in this bearish channel. This time it has gone above the channel there, which is a good sign for oil. And also it has formed the triple bottom. It is also a good sign that it can continue with the bullish momentum for a little while. However, as I said, wait for it to break past this bearish channel here. Now this is on the daily charts. On the downside, the support is far below at 65 levels again. Now look at the weekly charts. Now if you observe the weekly charts, first of all, it was trading bearish till here, then almost was trading with a flat top and divergence there with extreme bearishness. This time it has come back till towards the top here, and this we had warned several times. 83.5, 85 zone is going to be a good resistance. Despite the reversal, I asked you that once it breaks past beyond 85, then you can expect 92 levels, the next resistance zone, and then in fact beyond that 100 levels can be seen. Right now it is on the path of the same. And also if you look at the previous weekly candle here, very small body, very long tail, this indicates that the prices fail to stay at a lower levels, and there is little bullishness which is going to keep up the prices. And hence, first thing, above 78 you can buy. Wait for it to break past 79.2, 80.2 levels. But remember, 82.6, 81, 82.6 and 83.5, these levels are going to remain a prime resistance level for crude oil. Yes, it has consolidated enough. Yes, it is trying to trade bullish. Yes, it is still in the bullish channel. Any move upwards certainly will take the prices to further highs, and then we can look forward to 1992 zone. So wait a little, wait for it to break past the highs. Yes, it has come out of this channel here, but still let it sustain. Now coming to the monthly candle. Firstly on the monthly candle, see the previous candle, very long tail, and it has achieved my long-term target. Those who follow me for long, we had mentioned 65 levels long time back at this point, that 65 levels will get achieved. It has achieved 65 precisely and bounced back. Now see the last candle here, higher highs and higher lows. It failed to stay above. Yes, the candle closed in red. However, it has given a sign of a reversal. So this can be the reversal candle here on the monthly chart. as it is coming at a bottom, as it is coming at a lower levels. Hence, let the prices stay above 80 in the month of May, and then above 83.5 you can expect that we are going to look at a very good rise in crude oil, which is going to take the prices still towards 1992 levels. And believe me, it can happen in a single month also. In the month of May itself, it can try to fire up the prices. Just let it stay above 83.5 and 85 levels. So this is something you should note. On we already have 4 straight red candles here. So this candle is something which is going to be important for crude oil. We may see a reversal here. At the same time, remember one fact also, that here at 72, if it breaks below, and then 70 if it breaks below, you can say that it is going to stay bearish there. So but see, this candle specifically is important. It is signaling a little reversal. Now we have seen the charts. Let's also have a look at the indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting? Indicators on the daily charts: possible crossover between the 20, 50 and 100 period moving average. This is the 20 and 100 period crossover, which is a, a slightly bearish side. It is not yet crossed over. Super trend is also on sell with the stop loss at 81, but also it is traded at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. It has achieved the top of the channel there. Hence, wait for it to stay above 78. Very clear. These are 78 levels is going to be a very good resistance for crude. Any daily candle closing above 78 will be a good sign that it is trying to stay bullish. Stochastic trading at bottom, near to bottom there, and it is trying to recover. The MACD on the other hand is still bearish, but the candle size has flattened. And if you look at, see, it is bullish, yet it has achieved the bottom. The candle size have started to diminish. Let's be watchful, as on the downside, once it stays below zero levels, there is lot much downside still left. RSI at bottom, and it is trying to recover here. Now this is on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, this is trading bearish. 20, 50, 100 period moving average are trading bearish here. Yes, these are mixed indications, as the 100 period is situated between 50 and 20 period moving averages. So either all of these three has to trade with divergence and one in sequence there. That should be the bearish indication. Right now it is giving you mixed indication, and first 78, then 80, and then 82. These levels need to be breached in order to confirm the rise. But on the weekly charts, look at stochastic. This was overbought earlier. It has seen a little drop, and with this candle, possibly it may try to uh, come down a little before it tries to reverse. So I'll wait for the next candle to start and then see how it behaves on the downside. 74, 72 till 72 dollar levels. Do not consider oil as bearish for the next week. Now, if you look at the weekly charts here, look at MACD. See, after achieving the highs here at this point, we had told you that it is extremely overbought, and see, it has achieved the bottom here. Now it is just struggling at bottom. One crossover, second crossover, third crossover, and it is still struggling, because see, if it shows the recovery from here, it is going to be a very, very good recovery, very, very sharp recovery, where $100 levels cannot be denied. So just let it stay above 85, and then possibly the prices are going to pull up higher. RSI is comfortable there, neither overbought nor oversold. Now look at the weekly charts. On the monthly charts, rather, on the monthly charts, see 20, 50, 100 trading with slight divergence. Yes, it is right now trading within these candles itself, within this moving averages itself, getting the support on the downside and the resistance on the upside. $80 levels is something you should watch out for beyond 78. Stochastic was at bottom, trying to rise here. The MACD, look at MACD. This is still bearish. The candle size has flattened. Now, see, this is the third wave for crude oil. First this rise, then the retracement, then this rise, then the retracement. So yes, for next couple of months also, there is a possibility that it can try to come down, but then it is not necessary that this is going to be a straight line. See, here it showed a little conversion, it showed a little conversion, it showed a little conversion here, and again started to diverge, which means there could be one or two green candles before it starts to diverge and achieve the bottom of this. Hence, for next couple of months, already we have seen 4 red candles. There is a possibility that it can try to show you the greener candle. RSI has dropped a bit and it is trading at the comfortable levels. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators, we have identified the levels. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profit. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 1st of May. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. Trading as per the signals, definitely you will benefit. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, where to buy? Firstly, see 77.2. That is the only level below on which you can buy here. You can expect 78 levels. This is the next resistance zone. Till 78, do not consider that it has reversed and it is going to rise. Beyond 78, 79.2 and 80.2. Rather, I will say, in fact, if it shows a rise till 80, be alert and cautious. Do not consider this as bullish. And yes, it can try to rise further. See the stop losses, see the trading levels are almost close to $1 each, but beyond 80, I will directly like to see it at 82.0 and 82.6, beyond which 83.5, and this time we may see it hitting 85. Now why I am saying, see, this is applicable for the week also and for the month also. For the week and for the month, couple of levels. For the month at least, you should be watchful till 83.5 levels, beyond which it is going to fly high. Beyond 85, you are going to look at 88, 91, 92 zone. Second, now see this, these are a stronger resistance zone. You can see the color there. Yes, you can buy here, but then be cautious and alert till $80 levels. There is a probability that it can show you a little rise. There is a probability that it can break past 78 also. But then till 80.2, I will not consider this as reversal. Yes, it should be still considered as retracement. And at 80, we will see how it behaves. Based on that, we will take our call. Beyond 80, certainly more bullish momentum will gather and it can try to fly for 80 to 83 zone. So this is something you should note and take your trades. Now on the downside, where to sell? Now on the downside, you can sell here at 76.2 and wait for it to break past 75.5. Now 75.5, 75 and 73.8. Remember, if it breaks below 73.8 any point of time, you can expect that directly it is going to land at 72 and then 70.5 levels and then 69.2 levels. Remember, this zone till 73.8 and on the upside till 80 is a extreme swing zone. We have to be watchful. Possibility is there that we may see for first few days, for first week of May, it can try to rise. It can try to either achieve the double top for the previous month and then reverse, or if it breaks, certainly it is going to bring a bullish momentum for the next few weeks. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel. Reach out to me for any queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.